In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to optimize your circle. So, community for search engine optimization, also known as SEO. This process will help enhance your visibility on search engines like Google, making it easier for people to find and engage with your content. Let's dive in and make your Circle.so community a beacon in the digital landscape. To begin, you'll need to log into your Circle.so admin account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the platform's dashboard. With access to the admin features, you'll be prepared to enhance your community's SEO settings. Next, head over to your settings panel. Here, you will find an option labeled SEO. By clicking on this, you are entering the section where you can manage all your SEO-related settings. This is where the real magic happens, allowing you to set up foundational SEO meta information that search engines require to categorize and rank your site appropriately. Once inside the SEO settings, it's time to add crucial details like your site title, description, and keywords. The title you choose should encapsulate the essence of your community while being intriguing enough to invite clicks. Your description should offer a comprehensive yet concise summary of what visitors can expect from your community. As for keywords, think of words or phrases your audience might use when searching for your kind of content and scatter these strategically. Done right, these elements will significantly influence how your community appears in search results. To further enhance your link previews, you should upload a social sharing image. This image will appear alongside links to your site when they are shared on social media platforms, creating a professional and engaging visual hook. Choose an image that is both eye-catching and representative of your community's identity. Another essential step is to customize each individual space as SEO title and description. Every space within your community can serve different purposes and audiences, so take this opportunity to tailor the SEO settings of each one. By doing so, you'll not only provide specific, targeted information for search engines, but also enhance the discoverability of each part of your community. You might also want to integrate analytics tools to monitor and refine your strategy. Go back to the settings panel and navigate to custom code. Here, you can add Google Analytics or Search Console tags. These tools will offer valuable insights into your site's performance, user interactions, and further opportunities for SEO improvements. Finally, after making all these adjustments, remember to click Save Changes. This step is crucial to ensure all your effort isn't lost. Double check everything before you hit save to catch any errors or omissions. By following these steps, you should be